Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video is going to feature a variety of hair color transformations, so if you have been thinking of starting over with a fresh new hair shade, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of the hair ideas within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the hottest and the latest hair trends. Loving this gorgeous blonde ombre hair transformation. Her hair looks absolutely gorgeous. And then we do move into the next one. This features another blonde. So it looks like the next client is getting some dimension to her strands. Absolutely gorgeous. Face framing highlights as well. Beautiful dimensional sandy blonde. And then we move on to someone who has grown out blonde colored hair. And this ombre look once again, beautiful dimension. And she did also get some face framing highlights. Very pretty. Oh, I'm loving this warm chocolate color for this next one. So we have some more grown out roots for the next hairstyle. And if you are wanting to color your hair this season, I do have a video that showcases all of the hottest hair color trends. We're seeing a lot of reds, coppers, ash blondes. So many different variations this season. Beautiful dimensional blonde. Gorgeous waves. The next hair transformation is done on someone who has really pretty natural wavy hair. Looks like she decided to go a little bit darker. Stylist cuts off the ends. Beautiful. So she now has a fresh cut and gorgeous color. Now, the majority of the hair colors within today's video are very everyday friendly. The stylists are all doing colors that are very natural, very subtle hair changes, nothing too drastic or dramatic. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. She did end up getting face framing highlights as well. Beautiful bright blonde color. And we have another gorgeous sandy blonde hue. Beautiful waves. Amazing. So I hope you guys did feel inspired by these hair transformations. If you want to check out even more hot hair ideas, be sure to check out this video next.